All right, you all ready, Mr. Travis?
Sure am.
All right, I'm going to give you the microcurrent things for you to hold in both hands.
Okay.
And make sure your feet are on both metal plates. And then you'll have the heart monitor on your index finger.
Gotcha.
Everything seems okay. It's warm enough in here for
Yes,
you?
it is.
Okay. And I'll place this behind your head so you have like a pillow. And then I'm going to put this drape around you so the ozone stays in there.
Okay.
Sorry. This on, give you some oxygen.
Okay.
And then I'll be standing right outside, and if you need anything, just yell for me.
Okay.